Hello friends, I'm Prachi and once again I'm here. Today we are going to do EFT on releasing the expectations in our relationships. Many times because of the expectations that we have in our relationships don't work out. Because we expect someone else to love us in a particular way, and that when it doesn't get fulfilled, we feel hurt. We feel not understood. We feel unloved. We feel nobody loves us. And so it's very important to release the expectations from our relationships, because the expectations are the root cause of our suffering. Just because you hold on to the idea that someone should love you the way you want, you expect the other person to do some things for you, and that when it doesn't get fulfilled, you feel unloved. Friends, we all need to tap out all these expectations that we are holding on in our relationships. We need to let go it and recreate our relationship once again. So let's do tapping on that. So starting from your hand point, even though I expect a particular person to love me in a particular way, and when that doesn't get fulfilled, I feel hurt. I feel unloved. When somebody doesn't understand me, I feel unloved. Even though my expectations in the relationships are not getting fulfilled, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with that hurt. I love and accept myself with that hurt in this relationship. This hurt in the relationship, this hurt in this relationship, these expectations create that hurt inside me. I expect something out of that person, and when I don't get it, I feel that person doesn't love me. I allow myself to accept myself with this hurt, with this expectation. This expectation of getting love in a particular way. This expectation of getting love in a particular way. This expectation is creating all the hurt and pain in my relationships. These expectations, all the expectations that I am holding on, all the idea that I am holding on, which I feel that they should love me in a particular way, all those ideas, I release it completely. All those expectations, I let go completely. All the expectations which I am holding on, and all that which I am going to get from those expectations being fulfilled, if those expectations are getting fulfilled, all that I am going to get and experience in my mind and body, I choose to experience it now. Why I need the other person to fulfill my expectations, and then I should feel the way I want. I choose to let go all the expectations which are holding me back. I choose to let go all the ideas that I have created in my mind about love, about relationships. I allow myself to let it go completely and destroy it, and create and be open to let it flow automatically. Let all that love that I want come to me automatically. Let me not expect anything, and let it come to me automatically without any expectations. I wonder how it would be. I release myself from all the expectations, from all the ideas which I have made rigid in my mind related to how relationships should be. I let go to receive that unlimited love. I let go these expectations so that I can receive love unconditionally without any barriers. I let go all the hurt of these expectations not being fulfilled. I let go all this hurt of all these expectations not being fulfilled. I let go all this hurt of all these expectations not being fulfilled. I let go all this hurt of all these expectations not being fulfilled. I accept myself with this hurt, even though it's very painful. It's my journey. And unless and until I release this hurt, I won't be able to reach the unconditional source of love. The unconditional source of love which I want, I won't be able to reach it. So I allow myself to release all the hurt, all the pain, all the suffering, all that which I'm holding on to in the relationships from my childhood till now, from my past, present and in the coming future, and from all the lifetime space and dimensions. I release, I let go, and I set myself free from all the expectations that I have set in my mind rigid. I choose to make myself free, and I give myself permission to let it go very, very easily, because if I don't let it go, I will be suffering all through my life. In all my relationships, I will be suffering. All the relationships that I make will be based on expectations. And what if every relationship shows up the same thing? In every relationship, I will be unhappy. I will be expecting, but not experiencing love. But what I want is, I want to experience love. So to experience love, I need to let go the barriers which are not allowing me to experience this unconditional love from the other person. Let the other person love me the way he wants. I just choose to receive it without my barriers down. I choose to receive it, not allowing my mind to judge the way the other person is loving me. I choose to release all the judgments about the way the other person wants to love me. The way my family, my parents, my friends and all the people around in my life, I release myself from all the judgments. I release myself from all the judgments. I release myself from all the expectations. All the way from my past, I release myself from all these expectations. It's okay. It's fine. Even if I have those expectations, it's okay. I accept myself, but now I know that these expectations are creating a hurt in my life, and all that which is making my relationships, my life uncomfortable, unhappy and destructive, I release it. I don't need it anymore. I let go all the expectations which I'm holding on, because once I start leaving these expectations, once I start letting go all these expectations, I will be free of it. I will be able to experience the unconditional love. I will be able to experience the love that I want, because I will get connected to the divine source. Now the divine source will love me. I will allow the divine to love me, and I surrender myself to the way the divine wants to love me. I release my expectations and let the divine give me the best relationships where I can experience this love. I release all the expectations that I'm holding on in my relationships. I let it go so that my divine can love me, so that my divine can pour love on me. Through the best relationship he feels, he can bring that relationship in my life. I release myself completely from all these expectations so that I can experience love in my current relationships. Release, release, release. 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 I release all the expectations. I let it go from wherever it has come. I release all the definitions of love, of expectations in the relationship. I let it go completely. I let it go completely. I set myself free once and for all. I set myself free from all the expectations I have made in all my relationships. I let it go completely. I set myself free. Because freedom in relationship is the actual relationship. I completely release all the expectations and all the barriers not allowing me to experience the divine love in every relationship. Thank you so much. So keep on tapping this whenever you feel you expect something and you are not getting back from that person, friends. It's very, very important to release these expectations so that you can receive love from that person, or you can create a long-lasting relationship without your expectations putting on that person. Let that person give you love the way he or she wants to give you. Everyone's definitions of giving love is different. When you try to put your expectations on the other person who wants to give you love in his own way is not able to give you, and then the conflict occurs. So it's better to keep aside your definitions of love, your expectations in the relationship, and let that person give you love in his own way. Just be ready to receive it. Just be ready to see it, that in so many other forms which you might not have imagined, you are receiving love from that person. So keep on changing your perspectives, keep on shifting from where you want to see the other person. Keep on looking at things from the other person's perspective, where he or she wants to give you the love. Thank you so much.